Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily allow access to the microphone in the Instagram app. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes under this video and write comments after watching. So, let's get started. And I want to say right away that the method that I'm about to show you is available on Android devices, as well as for iPhone. What does this access to the microphone do? You will be able to send voice messages in various chat rooms, and also you will be able to easily shoot video with sound. Because when there is no such access to the microphone, all the videos will be silent, and that may not be to your liking. So friends, in order for you to easily allow microphone access, please open the Instagram app itself first. Next, you will need to swipe and navigate to any of the conversations or chats that you have. After that, tap on the bottom left on this photo sign right here. Or you can also tap on the microphone sign as well to record a voice message. And as you can see, you're warned that you can't do that because the microphone is not set up. Now click on the word Settings, and you'll be automatically taken to a page like this in Settings, where you just have to click on the word microphone to enable access. And now when you go back to your Instagram, click on the microphone, and as you can see, it will instantly start recording your voice message. You'll also be able to make videos with audio. Friends, this is how you can quickly and easily allow access to the microphone in the Instagram offering on your device. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.